We're here at Macy's at Green Acres Mall. I haven't filmed this since 2025. Full replacement as I probably remembered.
Floor B.
I haven't even filmed this since 2025 or especially 2018. Or even 2021 too, or 2023. I don't know. That's what I want to know.
Floor 3.
Another ride up down the beat. We all know and remember this. I have not filmed this since 2025. Block covered since it's 300 pounds.
Floor B.
1 on 2 this time. This over hasn't gone busy the last time I came.
Floor 2.
This is very similar to the one at Macy's at Queenston Mall and the Roosevelt Field Mall as well.